welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Dina. Welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I want to show you how to take one clothing item and style it 5 different ways. I believe that this is a technique that all women can use. I use it, I've always used it for years, where I try to purchase pieces that I can mix and match and basically turn my wardrobe into a collapse wardrobe. So if you're interested in finding out how, keep watching.
Rudolph, how you do that?
Okay, so the item that we're going to do today is this really cute, very trendy pleated skirt. It's so cute. I got this from Shein. I think it was under 20 bucks, which you can't beat because it's a trendy piece, but still I wanted to make sure that I was able to wear it multiple ways, and I'm going to show you how. So in the first look, it's very simple. I just have on the skirt with this graphic t-shirt that I got from Target. Now in the first outfit, you're going to see it's very plain. It's still cute, super simple, and you can totally wear it like this, but I'm going to also show you how to accessorize the outfit and really make it pop. Second look, you'll see that I added this really cute camouflage jacket. I threw on a super cute hat, and then I threw on some cowboy boots. And I actually wore this outfit to a Falcons game, and I thought it was really cute. I got a lot of compliments on it. But as you can see, the difference in the outfits, this really makes the outfit pop, and it just kind of gives it a little more edge to the skirt. In the second look, I decided to add a really pretty green sweater. It's very like lime green, bright, fun, and I thought adding this with the skirt would, be great for winter and fall, since we are in the colder months now here in Georgia. And as you can see in the first outfit, very simple, just a simple sweater, simple skirt. You can wear it like this, but I always like to accessorize and kind of really give my outfit a little extra pop. The second look, you'll see I still have on the sweater and the skirt, but then I added some really cute knee-high socks and some super cute patent leather boots. These are like a wedge boot. They're super cute, very on trend right now, super comfortable as well because they have a really good platform, so you can wear them all day. And then I just added this headband that I have on as well, which is kind of a faux leather headband, just to kind of tie in the whole look. And as you can see, it turned into a totally different look, and it's super cute. The next look, you'll see that I have on a denim button-up shirt, and very simple. You can totally wear it like this. You can even tuck it in and wear it this way, add a cute heel with it, and you will have a whole outfit. But you always want to accessorize and just give it a little extra pop. I mean, I feel like with the most simple outfit, even if you just have on a plain t-shirt and jeans, adding accessories can change the entire look. It can change the game for you, and this is something that I try to do with every outfit. I like to kind of give my outfits a theme look. So in the next one, you'll see I have on the same shirt, but I decided to tie it up and then add some cute cowboy boots that I got from Shein that I am obsessed with. I want to wear them with every outfit I possibly can. And also add a really cute hat. So this is a super fun look. It'd be great for, a girl's day at a winery or a day date. It's so cute. I just absolutely love it. And this outfit you can wear year round pretty much. If it's not too cold, you can wear it in the fall and in the winter, and then when the summer months come, you can also wear it then as well, because it's I like to also make sure my outfits can kind of go year round, and I can mix and match with different pieces from different seasons. And my next look, I've paired this pleated skirt with a black bodysuit. I also got this from Shein as well. I should have did a Shein haul for all of these items that I got, which I may actually do too, because I have a few other things that I got from them as well. And this bodysuit is amazing. It really snatches you in. I got every color that they possibly had, and they were only $7, so I will link them below. I highly recommend buying them because they're great, simple, classic pieces to have in your wardrobe. They go with literally everything. This is very chic black outfit. You can wear it just as it is. You can throw on a cute boot with it, and the outfit is perfect as it is. But as always, you want to accessorize and really make your outfit pop. In the next look, you'll see I have on the exact same outfit, but I added some knee-high boots and this really cute pink blazer, which I am obsessed with. I wear it all the time. This blazer, I actually got it at the thrift store, so I can't link it down below, but I'll try to find something similar. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed with this blazer. I wear it all the time. I actually wore a very similar look the other day to a luncheon, and then I just added a cute beret with it as well, which I'm also obsessed with. I have several colors, and I'm probably gonna order some more because they just kind of add a little pizzazz to your outfit, and they're so cute. Like, buy hats, add them to your outfits. It'll make your look really come together, I promise. Now, on the last look, I decided to do a classic white button up with the skirt, and here you'll see I just kind of have it, or I don't have it tucked in or anything, which you can actually wear like this. It's super cute. I would do like some cute Doc Marten boots, or like with a knee high as well, or some tights and some boots. That would be super cute, and you can leave it just as it is. Maybe throw a sweater over your shoulders to accessorize it, but I'm going to accessorize it with a sweater and kind of give it a schoolgirl look, which is actually really on trend right now. And then I did some black patent leather loafers with a little short sock, and just really tied in the whole look. And then also throw on a headband, because I'm also obsessed with headbands. If you look at my Instagram, you'll see I love headbands. I have tons of them, and they're like one of my favorite accessories to really add a little piece of cuteness to your look. And it's such a cute look. It gives you like that preppy schoolgirl look, but still chic, still cute, and I absolutely love it. And I thought it was a great way to style this skirt as well. And you can also in the summertime wear this skirt as well with some cute sandals and some heels or wedges or some flat sandals as well. You do a crop top. You can do so many different looks with this skirt, which is why I got it and I loved it so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's styling video. I want to do more videos like this where I can show you how to take your wardrobe to the next level and how to make the most out of your wardrobe, and basically turn it into a collapsed wardrobe by mixing, matching different pieces that you already have in your closet with something new, so that you can get the most out of your money and you don't have to spend a lot of money shopping all the time for new items and new complete outfits. You can mix and match with pieces that you already have. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm glad to be back on YouTube, and I look forward to my next video. I post every Sunday, fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.
How you do that?